Today, we will discuss the MRI of whole abdomen planning protocol. MRI, or magnetic resonance imaging, is an advanced imaging modality used to evaluate abdominal organs, such as the liver, gallbladder, pancreas, spleen, kidneys, adrenal glands, and bowel loops. Whole abdomen MRI is commonly performed to evaluate tumors, inflammation, infection, congenital anomalies, and unexplained abdominal pain. Patient preparation. Before performing MRI, proper patient preparation is essential. First, it is important to check for MRI contraindications, such as pacemaker, cochlear implant, aneurysm clips, or other metallic implants. Patients are usually advised to maintain 4 to 6 hours of fasting to reduce bowel motion and improve image quality. The patient is positioned in the supine position, and a phased array body coil is placed over the abdomen. Localizer scan. The examination begins with a 3-plane localizer scan. Localizer images are obtained in axial, coronal, and sagittal planes to confirm anatomical coverage of the abdomen. Sequence planning. Axial T1 weighted imaging. The first sequence typically performed is axial T1 weighted imaging. This sequence provides good anatomical detail and helps in evaluating fat, hemorrhage, and lesion characteristics. Axial T2 weighted imaging. Next, axial T2 weighted imaging is performed. T2 images show fluid as high signal intensity, making them useful for detecting cysts, edema, and biliary structures. Coronal T2 weighted imaging. A coronal T2 sequence is then planned. This plane helps visualize the longitudinal anatomical relationship of abdominal organs, including the liver, spleen, kidneys, and bowel loops. Fat suppression sequence. Fat-suppressed T2 or STIR sequences are often used in whole abdomen MRI. Fat suppression improves visualization of lesions, edema, and inflammatory changes. Diffusion-weighted imaging. Diffusion-weighted imaging plays a significant role in tumor detection and malignancy assessment. Multiple B values such as B0, B400, and B800 are commonly used. Malignant lesions often demonstrate restricted diffusion. Contrast study. In selected cases, gadolinium-based contrast agents are administered. Contrast imaging helps evaluate tumor vascularity, metastasis, liver lesion characterization, slice planning. Typical parameters include slice thickness 5 to 6 mm, interslice gap 1 to 2 mm, field of view FOV 350 to 400 mm. Coverage is usually from the diaphragm down to the pelvic brim. Breath hold technique. To reduce motion artifacts, breath hold techniques are used. Patients are instructed to take a deep breath and hold it during image acquisition.